Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video, I am going to show you a Fireflies AI demo walkthrough. So let's get started. So here we are in Fireflies AI, and we are now currently logged in. But if you don't have an account, all you have to do is go into Fireflies AI and then sign up. It's very easy. You can connect your Google account or your Microsoft account. And once that's done, you will be prompted right here. So right here in the dashboard or in the home section, we will be discussing this one right here because these are very important settings to set up here in Fireflies. So the first one is auto join calendar meetings. So you have these options right here. So you have all meetings with a web conference link or the only meetings that I own right here. So you can set that into either of this one right here. So yeah, so the Fireflies bot or the note taker would be able to join depending only on your settings. So in my case, I'll just set it into all meetings that I provide. And the next thing is the send email recap. So you have a lot of options right here. So you can send the email recap or the notes to everyone that is on the call, or you can go for only me and participants from my Firefly team. So yeah, you would have a Fireflies team depending on that, or just you. So the notes will only be sent to you if it is set to this one. In my case, I'll just go for everyone in the invite. And then right here, you have your meetings. So you can set a schedule right here on your meetings. And then from here, Fireflies would be automatically joining your meetings once it's started. And all you have to do is to accept its submission. And yeah, you can click on this button and then you would have your options right here on your meetings. And then from here, let's go back here into the plus sign right here at the top right of your screen. So from here, you have the add to live meeting or schedule a new meeting if you want that, or you can upload audio or video. So let's say you have a meeting that you would want to take note of, but it's already over. So you can use this feature right here. You can upload audio or video in MP3 or MP4. And then in this case, we'll just be using add to live meeting right here. So we'll be opening up meet.google.com. And then from here, we're gonna start an instant meeting right here. So as you can see, right now we are now in Google Meet. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy the link for this one. And then we're gonna go and to add to live meeting right here. So in this way, we will be inviting the Fireflies note taker into our meeting. So let's paste the link right here, paste that, and then you can name your meeting if you want to, and your meeting language right here. This is also very essential. And I'll just set to English since we all speak English, and click on start capturing. And then once that's done, the Fireflies assistant will be invited into the meeting. As you can see, we don't have that yet. It's not instant. You would have to wait for a few moments before Fireflies would be able to pop in right here. So yeah, let's just wait for that and see how it goes. So right here, Fireflies has now joined our call right here. You can click on view, and then from here we have this. So you can click on admit right here, and now the Fireflies note taker is successfully been in our call, and all that's left to do for it is to record the call and so on. It would take notes for you right here. And if you want the recording or the taking of notes to stop, then you can just simply remove them by clicking here and then remove from the call just like so. And then you can go for remove, and then Fireflies would stop recording your call and so on right here. Alright, so now that you know how to get Fireflies in your call, so now let's get into the notes right here. So this is what Fireflies would have for you once it has successfully recorded and taken notes of your meeting. So from here, let's discuss this part first. So you have your AI filters. So what is it? So this is basically segments of your meeting right here, wherein the AI would filter out some questions, maybe some positive comments, negative comments, or something like that. It would be able to do that right here. So if you're looking for a comment by someone that you think is positive, then you can click on the positive right here, and it would show up right here. And yeah, Fireflies would take you into that comment itself. And then the next one is the speaker. So from here, as you can see, we only have one speaker. So you can see the words per minute and the talk time right here. So if you have a lot of speakers, then you can monitor them right here on which one is participating or not. And then you have your topic trackers right here. So you can see your topics right here in the meeting. AI would also detect your topics in the meeting, and it would also add new topics right here. Or you can also click on the add new topics button right here so that you can manually add new topics yourself right here. And then the next one is this middle part. So the first one is the thread. So from here, you can see an overview of your meeting or notes and action items outline of your meeting right here. This is generated by AI, by the way, and you can rate the summary quality right here, and you can even customize it by clicking on that button right here. And then as you can see, you can customize the action items, meeting keywords, meeting notes, and whatsoever. And you also have the app integration right here in Fireflies. And then the next one is the video. So from here, you can view your video of your recording, and then you can skim through it by using this slider right here. And the same thing applies when you go into the thread and you want to make a comment. So you can go and navigate through your slider in which part or time of the recording you would like to make a comment. So let's say I want to make a comment by this point right here. So I can go and make a comment right here, and I can go click on the send button right here, and you can even go for the privacy depending on which one you would like. In my case, I'll just go for public and click on send. But in my case, since this is just a sample meeting, I wouldn't be able to do that. All right, so now let's move on to the sound bites right here. So this is a very neat feature of Fireflies AI. I really like this one because you can clip it very easily. For example, there is something that is very important that is said in your meeting, and you would want to clip it, maybe cut it from the meeting so that you would be able to send it to someone else or whatsoever. So what you want to do is you would want to navigate it here in the transcript. So you want to find that important thing that was said. So for example, it was this one right here. So I want to highlight it just like this right here. So I want to clip this part so I can just let go. And then this would pop up right here. Create soundbite right here. But again, this is just a sample meeting, so I wouldn't be able to do that. But this is basically the feature wherein you can clip this specific statement right here, or you can even go for the whole one right here just like so, and you can create a soundbite just like that. And then from there you can click on the copy soundbite just like this one right here, URL, and then you can paste it just like so right here. And then from here they would be able to see your soundbite right here, and yeah, they would be able to view it right here. But as you can see, this is the whole meeting. This is not the soundbite that we have.
Welcome to Fireflies AI. We're excited to have you.
All right, let's pause it. So yeah, this is basically how you do it right here on the soundbite. So it's basically a clipping feature. And then right here in the transcript, of course, is where you can see the scripts, the captions of your meeting right here. So yeah, this is very obvious. And then you can also use the search. So you can go for a chat, maybe something like that, and hit enter. And then you'd be able to see everything right here. As you can see, we have this filter right here. And then the next one is this one right here. So you can set this into public right here, so everyone would be able to see these notes right here whenever they have the link and so on. And yeah, this is where you can share it. You can click on copy right here. As you can see, this is grayed out. This is because it is just a sample meeting, but this is basically where you would change your privacy right here. And that is basically it for our basic walkthrough here in Fireflies AI. I hope this video helped you out.